Mama, camera.
This is a camera. What are you eating?
Waffles.
What did you say when I gave them to you? What did you say? You were nice and polite.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, sweetie. Anytime. I don't mind giving you waffles anytime. What are those down there? Are those your little piggly wiggly toes?
No,
No? What are they?
that's my hair.
Huh? Somebody loves waffles. Huh?
Mama, you want waffle too?
No, just for you today. Okay.
How about you eat
How about what?
fruit?
What?
How about I eat fruit, Mama?
You want to eat fruit?
No, Mama eat fruit.
Oh, you want me to eat fruit? What should I eat? What should I eat?
What?
What do you think I should have? And say bye-bye. I love you.
Now, you